Hey guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Messenger Notes feature if it's not showing properly. As you can see, I've opened my Messenger app and there comes a menu option of new note, and I've written a simple message: hello, today is a nice day, and I will share it, which will share it to your friends. But if this option is not available for you, don't worry, we can solve that. So first, what you need to do is open your app store and check for Messenger application on your search tab, and search if your Messenger app is installed properly and if it's updated or not. If it needs to be updated, a message like this will pop up on the screen and you can just hit update button. You can see the update happens quite quickly and you don't need to worry about it being slow or anything. After the update is complete, you can close down your app store and open settings menu, and you can go to your general and click on the iPhone storage button and search until you find your Messenger application. After you find your Messenger application, and just scroll down, show all, and then the Messenger application. Click on offload app, and this will lead you to reinstall your app. But this is fine, it will just be a second. Just reinstall your Messenger app, and after it's reinstalled, open it up back up, and you can see your notes option available. If you don't see it, then don't worry. Some versions of Facebook needs some update and it will come in the later features. So don't worry about it and it will show up later for you. But for now, you will not have the notes option in your phone. Well, I hope this video is helpful and I'm signing off. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave any questions or suggestions down on the comment box. See you until next time.